Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share a quick video on making an animal decoupage canvas tote. Apparently, the motif of animals with floral crowns is quite popular right now. I've seen merchandise with these cute animals at gift shops and craft stores. I love giving new life to old items by transforming them, so let's get started. For this project, you'll need a canvas bag, some decorative napkins, and fabric Mod Podge glue. Check out these super cute napkins with 4 designs on each one. For more information on where I got the napkins, please see the description box below. I first iron my clean canvas bag to get out any wrinkles. Before I apply a coat of diluted white chalk paint to my surface, I insert a plastic barrier inside my bag to prevent the liquid from soaking through to the other side. The white background will help the napkin colors retain their vibrancy. Make sure to apply an even coat of diluted white chalk paint to all the surface you want to cover with napkins. I am painting both sides of the canvas tote, including the side panels. I let my bag dry overnight, and now it's ready to get a coat of fabric Mod Podge. Once again, I insert a piece of plastic inside my tote bag. Take your time applying the fabric Mod Podge. The consistency of the glue is quite thick. Be sure to get all the nooks and crannies. While the Mod Podge is drying overnight, I am preparing the napkins for decoupage. The napkin usually has 2 or 3 layers. We want only the topmost layer. I have the most luck separating the layers from the corners. For the side panels, I'm using this fun napkin featuring woodland animals. My canvas bag has dried. We're ready to decoupage using the ironing method. I put a towel inside my bag to absorb the heat from the iron. You'll also need a piece of parchment baking paper. I space out my napkins carefully before I iron. My iron is on the cotton setting. I turn the bag as I go, paying extra attention to the edges of napkins. I also try not to stay on one spot too long to prevent the possibility of burning it. Now we just seal our napkins with one more coat of fabric Mod Podge and let it dry overnight. Well, there you have it, a super cute and unique upcycled canvas tote. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all of you subscribing and supporting my channel. I am working on some holiday crafts coming up soon, so look out for them. Have a great day and see you next time.